La 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 la. Hello guys, I'm Pierre from Arweave News and you are here to see Arweave's weekly report. So let's roll. After stormy weeks, it seems that at least for a while a more peaceful era has settled in. People seem to look more into the fundamentals of different protocols and value the networks that are truly putting the decentralization trade to work. As a result, if you will search Arweave on Twitter, you will encounter a lot of accounts verifying their new wallets and a lot of newcomers exchanging ideas about Arweave. Still, this new attention didn't disturb the projects from their already established path. Kive is still expanding, Everpay is forging its way to the PermaSwap DEX, and so on. Basically, building as usual. Would you like to know more? Fundamental Labs. They released one of the most extensive and in-depth analysis of the decentralized storage landscape. The 89-page paper covers the fundamentals behind the idea of decentralized storage and then dives into the mechanics of 6 different solutions, Arweave included. If you want to have a holistic view of this newly emerging phenomenon, this read is a must. By the way, the paper itself is stored on Arweave. Yep, the team that studied the whole decentralized storage landscape, among all the other protocols, chose to upload the results on Arweave. Who knows? Maybe there is a meaning behind this choice. Next, let's talk a little about a mind-blowing idea that was just born. Some days ago, a Twitter user asked the Solana co-founder if their new phone will support the Google App Store. The answer was affirmative. But that's not the news. The news is what Sam Williams, Arweave's co-founder, proposed. A decentralized app store using Arweave for storage and with the app reputation written on chain. A fully transparent and decentralized environment. This idea alone, if implemented correctly, could represent the tilting point that will break Web2's gatekeeping tactics. We hope that in the future we'll see this becoming a reality. We're rooting for it. Asher is alive and kicking. Since the end of Open Web Foundry number 6, there were barely any news about Asher, one of the finalists. Now, Asher is one of the projects with a lot of potential inside the emerging Web3. It has a clear and necessary use case. They are creating a transparent, trustless, and decentralized layer of affiliate marketing services that will hopefully curb some of the bad practices that currently plague the crypto space. Given their strong fundamentals, the apparent silence that engulfed the project in the past couple of months seemed uncanny. The mystery was solved pretty easily. During this period, they were building stealthy. The time for Asher's release is close. So, bye bye undisclosed shills. Next, Rare Candy 3D, the NFT marketplace that was also one of the Open Web Foundry participants. Now owns a crypto voxel parcel and has big plans with it. They want to transform the plot in a two-story showroom for crypto art, physical NFTs, music, and voxel assets. Although the final build is yet to be released, you can experience an intermediate version to have a little taste of how the final showroom will look. Also, there is a treasure hunt game for those who like riddles. Enjoy your candies. Permanodes for permadevs. This is not the first time when we are talking about permanodes. The creation of Rakis, one of the most dedicated members of Arweave's community. It looks like it won't be the last time either. Quality content for developers is starting to pile up. Now they posted a full guide on how to create a profit sharing token, laying down the foundation to create a community and basic tokenomics around your Arweave native project. Now you can become a dev too. Just check permanodes. Forever onwards. This seems to be the undeclared motto of Kive Network. This week marked the entering of the second phase of Corellia, their incentivized testnet, shifting the focus on technical improvements. We hope that the path to mainnet will be a straight one, and this critical phase will pass according to schedule. Given the fact that the second phase of Corellia is one that requires a lot more attention to technical details, one could expect that Kive expansion has tempered a little. Wrong. They also had the time to integrate with Kusama Network. Apparently, they will continue to simultaneously expand their reach and improve their testnet. In this way, when the mainnet will be operational, it will be already a fully grown cross-chain entity. The NFT auction number 8 just concluded for Everpay. For those who were patient enough to witness how it unfolded, it was obvious that there was a literal bidding war ongoing for the last 3 NFTs that were still available to auction after the first day. People are starting to notice the importance of those NFTs in the context of the Permasweb DEX launch. So, they will probably become even more disputed with the passing of each new auction. Also, they just launched a program that will let community members contribute by spreading the word about EverFinance projects and Arweave as a whole. They mentioned that those who will participate will be rewarded. So, if you are interested in good deeds and gaining something for yourself, this could be your time to shine. The annoying thing with centralization is that it brings its ways even when it uses a decentralized infrastructure. The tweet highlighted by the Accord team shows exactly that. Given the fact that IPFS storage is not permanent by itself, people are usually using centralized actors like Pinata to assure the existence of their stored data. Like on any Web2 interaction, things are awesome until they aren't. Out of nowhere, you receive a blunt message which informs you that you no longer have access to your own data. The likes of experiencing this in the Arweave's ecosystems are probably zero. Not only because Arweave is decentralized, but the projects that are offering storage on Arweave are decentralized as well. So your keys equals your data. And it's over. We're free now. That's all, folks. Until next time, peace.